every situation is different out there. Every school is different. Kids differ from one another within a classroom, so we can't prescribe a kind of script for what the teacher does when they go back into the classroom. They have to learn enough to exercise their own judgment and apply what we're learning to problem solving. But there's not there's not a menu, there's not a prescription for doing that. There are only guideposts, there are only the right questions that we want the teacher to ask. So in these face-to-face workshops, we try to set them up to confront areas that they may not understand very well, ask more probing questions, share with their colleagues, and then work with people we hope are going to be assisting them in their classrooms, providing coaching, real coaching, and real supports. All that is really helpful.